In this video, I'll show you how to change iPhone call from slide to answer to accept or decline. So whether you want this particular option up here or you want one of these other options, which is basically like a slide to answer or whatever other option it is, the way these work and the way to kind of configure from one to the other is basically by understanding how they work. So when your iPhone, let's say, is on its main display, so if your iPhone is locked, let's say it's just sitting here, just like this, and it's just off, and it's just on its way. Basically, if you're getting a call, it's going to look like this. And the reason for that is because your phone is locked. When your iPhone is locked, you are going to get a splash screen that looks something like this, because it's going to require you to decide to answer versus accepting it via the green button. So that is the one way to kind of think about it, is that if you're getting a call, if your phone is locked, it's going to look like this. Now, if you want to change it to the other way, right? Let's say you want to change it to where it looks something like this, maybe not that one, right? If you're going to go through and you're getting a phone call, you can either accept it or decline it this way. But that only works if your iPhone is unlocked, like how this particular iPhone right now is unlocked. So those are kind of the differences. That's kind of the main way to go and change them. But something along those lines where it's like, this one, the way to go and get this one to basically pop up is to go and have your phone completely unlocked. So instead of your phone sitting on a table like this, it will have to be unlocked, and then you will get that particular phone call option coming up there. So that is basically how it works. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.